Hey, I'm so glad we got to see this house today too. I really didn't think the sellers could get us in with such short notice. You know, I actually forgot something in the car. I'll be right back. Yeah, well, you know, while I was outside, I noticed that your eaves were surrounded by atoms. You can't have that. Nope, not up the code. And looking around here, you got a P. Diddy style crap trap on your rat sap. That's no good. That's gonna mold right there. Probably gonna leak in the future. You can't have that. No, but I'd check the liquid condensation content in the bathrooms, make sure there's no plumbing, caulking, potato head going on there, because you can't survive. If you're gonna be in this house, you'll be sick, you'll get the cold. It ain't worth it. The door seams, your Carmex configurator is just not there. You can feel the breeze come right on through. You gotta have your Carmex configurator around the door. Listen to how hollow this is. Hollow, hollow, nobody's home. And look at this right here. Look at this right here. It's like a child did this trim. It looks like a child did this trim with doll suit. And this table right here. Oh, that's right. It doesn't come with the house. I forgot my contractual responsibilities. This table does not convey with the house. And they said this in the listing that this was granite. This is granite. This is granite. It's not granite right here. You hear that? The patibulator's off. The patibulator's off all the way down. No, sir, not granite. Granite. That's what we call it. And we're going to get started over here. Look at this. Is window seals or more like window wheels? You can just feel the wind speeding off through them. Window wheels, that's what we call that. No good in the business. And what the heck is this? Okay, thank goodness. I thought it was a built-in. No built-ins, you're gonna tear it out if it's built in. Then you get over to these walls right here. Hollow, more like Halloween. We're in the wrong season here, sir. This door right here, okay, this door's all right. Goodness gracious. There's another door inside the door. The storm door, what they think we've got going on here. We live on a deserted island that gets tropical storms. Well, we need a storm door. Oh, you see that? Who built this place? You hear that? That's not normal. That's not normal. We're gonna have to tear that out. It costs about $555. $555, tear that out. We'll get you done after we're finished. And you still want to put this place under contract, I understand, but golly, your tech megular is all out. Your tech megular? Tech megular? Completely shot. Completely shot. Listen here, you want to place an offer on this place, I understand. We can get it written up, but we're going to have a repair limit on this place. A repair unlimited.